Hello, this is Carlos, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. It's the Old Car Shop. I have another channel, but this one, of course, focuses on my old car stuff that I do. This one here is on a '37 Chrysler, on the Cowl vent. We'll go ahead and get straight into this. I bought the seal directly from Andy's. They sell new old stock for Dodge, Chrysler, DeSoto, all the Mopar products. And I didn't think about making this video until I was already halfway through. I had already installed the seal, and so what you're going to see in the video, you're going to see the tail end of me just reassembling everything. But obviously, if you look at the video, you can go ahead and see how reverse order, how to take it all apart. In the little channel where that seal goes in, I did clean it out really well with a little small, like a tiny detail wire brush. I took out all the rust in there. I cleaned it really well, dried it, washed it, and then I applied the seal. And if you can see here on the video, the rubber seal that I got from Andy's, it's like a half moon, and then it's flat on top. So the half moon sets real nice inside of that channel, and so that's the part that you put down. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna go ahead and let the video run, have some background music here, and enjoy. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll go ahead and respond, definitely. Or if you have a better way of doing this, if you know of, maybe you spoke to an old timer at some point and they kind of give you some tips and tricks. Because I went on YouTube trying to look for a video on how to, get into this, and I couldn't find anything. And so that's when I thought, I'll go ahead and make my own. I'm going to make a series on this 37 Chrysler, and I help all the guys from the car club that I'm in. So I'll be making some more on a '59 Rambler and several others. Enjoy.